When removing a wasp or bee nest yourself, you must wear proper protective gear to prevent painful stings and dangerous reactions. Choose a full-body bee suit with an integrated veil made of tightly woven mesh that stops stingers while allowing airflow. The suit should fit loosely, so insects cannot reach skin through stretched fabric, and should have elastic or hook closures at the wrists and ankles to seal gaps. Use leather-gauntlet gloves that extend over the sleeve of the suit and are thick enough to resist repeated probing by mandibles or stingers while still allowing enough dexterity to handle tools and spray nozzles safely. Wear sturdy, closed-toe footwear such as leather boots and tuck pant legs into socks or the tops of boots to avoid gaps. And consider gaiters if you will be working on uneven ground or in tall vegetation. Perform any removal operation at night when most social wasps and many bees are less active, and use a bright but hands-free headlamp, so both hands are free and light is directed from above, which reduces sudden shadow movement that can trigger aggression. Have an escape plan mapped out before approaching the nest. Clear a quick path away from the nest, know the nearest indoor shelter, and have a partner nearby to assist or call for help if the insects act aggressively. If you have any history of severe allergic reactions to stings, do not attempt removal yourself and instead arrange for professional removal or emergency medical support, because even with protective gear, a single breach can cause life-threatening anaphylaxis. The three most common mistakes are relying on thin or home-sewn fabric that allows stingers through, using inadequate hand protection like short gloves, and performing removals during the day when insects are most active. Avoid thin or loosely woven clothing by choosing purpose-made suits with certified mesh or canvas. Always test seams and closures at home under bright light to verify no holes. Switch to long gauntlet leather gloves rather than thin synthetics, and practice simple tasks such as fastening closures or operating a spray can while wearing them so you are not fumbling at the nest. Do not approach nests during daylight peak activity hours. Schedule operations after nightfall, and use steady, hands-free lighting and a partner to watch for activity so you can execute a calm, quick removal. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to pest control and other home services. We also host a discussion community where people share experiences and ask practical questions about protective gear and safe removal techniques, and we encourage you to use our resources and community to make safer decisions.